Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries.
YaadMentz Tries.
My name is Sean and this is
Debbie.
So before we continue this video, we want you to hit that subscription button. If you're a new subscriber here, please subscribe to our channel. And even if you haven't subscribed yet, but you're still watching our videos and thinking if you want to subscribe or not, hit the subscription button.
Anyway.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get updates when we drop the video on a Sunday at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
And whenever the video drop, you will get notification. So today we are doing something we saw in the supermarket. I think it's new. We stumbled upon it in the the snack aisle.
Yeah, in the snack aisle, the aisle where they have baked goods like breads and stuff like that. Yeah, snacks. We basically were like, wow, this is interesting. We know the company, right? And we say, them usually do one type of particular snack when enough people know that we have actually done a YaadMentz showdown on.
Oh, right.
Yeah. And we're like, okay, I see where they're branching out into baked goods now.
A little niche.
Yeah.
It's a good thing though.
Yeah. So the company is St. Mary's, JP St. Mary's. Right. They do St. Mary's banana chips, which is what I was talking about previously. We did a banana chip showdown and they were one of the banana chips that we basically tried in that showdown.
It's a popular banana chips.
Yeah, so when we saw them doing banana bread, we're like,
banana bread.
I mean, it makes sense.
It makes sense
because JP, if you're from Jamaica, you'd know that JP does the bananas. Sometimes you see the bananas in the supermarket.
One of the largest banana producers and distributor in Jamaica, both ripe and green bananas.
Right, and you see people like at the stoplights and so on, intersections, selling the ripe bananas and stuff like that.
Right.
So it's a brand with people in Jamaica. If you're in Jamaica, you must know JP.
St. Mary.
And you must know St. Mary's banana chips.
Right.
So basically they're branched out to do banana bread.
Baked goods.
Right. So they have two different kinds of banana bread. One is the banana bread original. This is the package. You already take them out the package, but we'll show you guys the B-roll as usual so you can get a close up.
Yes.
Alright, so one of them is the original, right? Banana bread. It has 370 calories and the serving size is 1 pack.
You have to give that nutrition fact.
Yeah, I have to give it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. The people washing them waistline like how I should. I should be washing my waistline, but obviously YOLO.
Okay.
Yeah, so it has 370 calories. It has 58 grams of carbs. I'm looking for the sugars. It has 16 grams of sugars. But anyway, guys, treat yourself.
That's not really bad.
Treat yourself.
I mean, banana bread is a treat here that
people love it.
People love banana bread. But I don't think I've tried.
So, but we don't tell them what the other one is. So that one was the original, and this one is what?
And this one is the banana bread with
rum. Yeah.
If you're Jamaican, you love your rum
any
cake, rum.
Put the rum in
it's gonna sell. It should sell. It's gonna sell. So I think it have the same nutrition facts here. What I don't see on the package is the rum content. I don't see that, like how much rum in is it, rum in it.
Well, I guess when we taste it, we'll find out. You know what I'm saying. I can smell the rum, you can smell it from you open the package. You can smell the rum.
It's the rum stinking for real.
Yeah, I'm actually excited to try that one. I think that should be interesting.
Yeah, and they're both products of Jamaica.
Yes, both products of Jamaica.
Locally baked and the good stuff. Good stuff them. So, which one I want to leave let me not say I'm gonna leave the rum for the last.
I agree.
Because I think I'll just eat off everything on this episode. I don't know. But let us dive into this. When you look at it though, you can see there's a difference. This looks softer than this one.
In color.
Because of the rum inside of it, it kind of soften it a bit. I don't know. A bit moist. It's a bit moist.
Well,
alright, let us go with this one. That is your slacks.
Alright, I'm gonna look at slices, huh?
It
smells nice.
Cake. Yes, it does smell like banana.
Kind of feel a little spongy, like sponge cake.
Don't look so dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does smell like banana bread.
Cheers.
It's nice.
It's actually really nice. I'm not lying. JP big up on himself on a large. St. Mary's.
It's really nice.
This nice?
It's not too sweet, and it doesn't have too much banana in it as well. Like
it's more.
You know, some banana concentration, but it's sweet. I like it.
I like it. And I love banana bread naturally, so
yeah.
This is a win. It's a win.
No, when the banana bread they have like a darker color to it.
That's true.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's nice.
It's nice.
What would you give this? YaadMentz thumbs up. Do I even have to ask?
2 thumbs up.
Double thumbs up for me too.
Double
thumbs up. This was excellent.
Love it. Good.
I definitely purchase this again.
You can have some water, please. And you know, when you eat baked products, sometimes you do have to have water with it because or something to drink.
I nearly drink up all my water right now. You must come with your own glass and don't make
must share. Anyway, let's dive into the rum version. Ooh, it's soft. It's really soft. Moist. That's your slice right there.
Yeah, man. This definitely feels a lot softer.
Really moist.
But like very moist. I can even look at it and see
I love
the moist. The moisture. Yeah, man. Cheers.
That's really soft. And the rum essence. Yeah. You don't really taste much of the banana because you know the rum will kind of kill it a bit.
I taste the banana, but I also taste
not much, but the rum. For me, the rum does. I don't know because I'm anticipating the rum taste. My mouth just yearning for the rum, but
I have to get a piece more.
It is good.
Uno say one.
It is good.
JP, uno say one.
I'll definitely give it 2 thumbs up.
2 double YaadMentz thumbs up.
It is good.
Yo, we need to wrap up that video here because Juice I want us finish eat them here.
These are good, guys. We definitely recommend JP's
Saint Mary
banana bread and the one with rum. If you like your rum, you know your thing. This is definitely give a try. If you see it in the supermarket, we stumbled upon it. We didn't even know that JP was doing something like this. Yeah. But big up yourself, JP. Like for real, this is something that this is good. This is a good niche that they're doing something like this. I already make banana, so why not do something like this?
I'm excited to see maybe what else they will come up with banana bread with other things. I'm excited to see
chocolate chip.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm excited to see what else.
There.
Yeah, man. But them two is the flagship product them.
Yeah.
For the baked goods line, sell off. Like sell all the way off.
We definitely give it a thumbs up. One thing though, the package is not so easily open. I didn't see where we could tear.
But I think that you see because it's baked goods sometimes.
Yeah.
You kind of have to make sure that it's packaged properly because you know baked goods don't necessarily have as long of a shelf life as other products.
Right.
But
I don't know.
I mean, it's not that big of a deal. Maybe it's we open it wrong, aka him.
So I have to point
him open.
Right. But
so maybe there's a part to open it for you. But I mean, that's at the least. That's at the least.
Yeah, I don't know.
But yeah, anyways, we will do that off camera. Got you fiddling. Anyway, guys, thanks you again.
I found a little thing, but it's not so obvious though.
No, you never look at it, maybe.
I did. It's not so obvious, but guys. I found something at the edge. If you go to one of the edges, you can slit an area and just open it. But we digress, you guys. But the point of the matter is that these two were awesome products. Big up yourself, JP. You guys remember when we post this preview on our Instagram at YaadMentz. Remember to follow us also. Yes. That you will at JP or St. Mary's, whichever one, so that they can see that we did this review, so they can hear what we have to say about it, and also they will come on our page and look at the comments and see what you guys have to say about it also. Yeah. We hope that you guys will go to the stores and buy this because trust me. What was the price again?
A definite.
It was like the 100 and...
I think it was what 140, 140.
That's not a bad price.
Definitely not. And it tastes real good. Like I'm not lying. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching this episode of YaadMentz Tries.
Yaad people thing.
Yaad people thing. We hope you guys will join us for more episodes in YaadMentz Tries. We hope you guys will give us your suggestions down below as usual, and definitely subscribe, share, comment, like, follow it on Instagram at YaadMentz, like our Facebook page. Wow. Yeah. Like our Facebook page, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Oh my god, it's nice. Bad man.